This is Ritesh Srinivasan and welcome to my channel. So Drag Your GAN is an image editing tool where you can perform image editing by just specifying some target points and the source points, basically handle points, right, and a mask region optionally, and then the image is edited, whereby the source points are moved towards the target points. Okay, for example, in this image, if you see this image of the lion over here, right, let me zoom in a bit over here. If you see this image of a lion over here, right, what happens over here is that you can specify these red dots which are source points and the blue dots are target points, and you don't need to change any other parts of the image, right? So you have your mask area, then the image is converted to this resultant image, right? You can also do a second edit over here. A second edit is done over here by specifying this source point and this target point, and this is the end result. So basically, Drag Your GAN is a tool, okay, which allows users to drag the content of any GAN generated images, okay, generational adversarial network images. Basically, users only need to click a few handle points, these red points, right, and target points, which are your blue points on the image, and the approach will move the handle points to the target points precisely, to reach their corresponding target points. Okay, that is what this approach allows. Thereby you can do image editing. That is the idea over here. Optionally, you can also specify a mask region such that the images are edited only within the mask region. For example, this example whereby you want to pull this hill up, right? So this is very simple image editing tool. Okay, so they have a demo over here also. So this tool is very simple to use. If you look at their demos over here, okay, this is their main demo, whereby you can see it's a very simple tool over here. Maybe I'll just make it full screen over here. So if you look at over here, it's a very simple demo over here, whereby you just need to click these images, right, add these points over here, and then if you say start, it does all these wonderful edits on the image. Okay, right. So you can see this car being stretched, edited, another image of a car being stretched and edited using the source and target points, movement of this horse, so it can do a lot of things on, say, different kinds of layouts, like it can be layouts, it could be attributes like pose, shape, expression, right, and it could be diverse categories such as animals, cars, humans, landscape, etc. Okay, so this tool is much more simpler to use, say, than a Photoshop or some other image editing tool. Does this signify that Photoshop is not any more useful? Maybe, may not be, but this tool seems to be very simple to use with this kind of a interface. Okay, whereby you just need to specify some points and then you can edit an image. Okay, some wonderful examples are shown with the demos over here, the demo videos. So they have not released the code. They plan to release the code in June. They also have this paper where they explain this approach. So basically you can look at this paper on the pipeline and other technical details of how they have implemented, DragGAN. Okay. So this was a short video on DragGAN, a very interesting tool for image editing. So I'm just waiting for when the code will be released and when you can actually deploy it on your local machine or say on a collab notebook, and then try out this demo for ourselves to see if it really works in the way they have shown in these examples. Okay, these are selected examples, so it may work well with respect to other examples, it may not work well. That is something which only time will tell when we actually try out this particular tool ourselves. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.